Before time began, there was... We know not where it comes from, only that it holds the power to create worlds and fill them with life. That is how our race was born. For a time we lived in harmony, but like all great power, some wanted it for good, others for evil. And so began the war. A war that ravaged our planet until it was consumed by death. And the cube was lost to the far reaches of space. We scattered across the galaxy, hoping to find it and rebuild our home, searching every star, every world. And just when all hope seemed lost, a message of a new discovery drew us to an unknown planet called... But we were already too late.
Of the Resistance, report to your nearest intake facility immediately. We promise nothing nefarious will befall you. We promise. Resistance members, Report to the VIP section of your nearest intake facility for compulsory behavioral modification. It will be fun.
Your suit seems to be working nicely, blending right in. There is the assistant, and there is the infobot. Whew, masterful work. Now get out of there and decrypt that thing.
Where is the infobot?
Your ship is up ahead. Where are you going?
It's okay. See? Just me.
Rivet? Shh! Gotta go. Here, it'll help you get home. I designed it to be one size fits all, so it should... Thank you!
Okay, let's dig deep. Don't quit on me now. Can you feel it? Huh? Can you feel the burn?
Are you kidding? I'm on fire! I can take anything you can dish out, so bring it on!
Okay, 2,000 more.
2,000?
And 2, 3, and 4. No pain, no gain. And we'll be right back after these messages. Okay, bots, let's do this. And look, and look.
Ranger workout. We'll be right back. Planet Tenemule is no more.
What?
Hello, Dallas Wanamaker here. Tonight at 5, another uninhabited planet is destroyed without warning or cause, marking the 4th in recent memory of our once peaceful galaxy. And now a message from the man himself, Captain Quark.
Space. A wondrous realm full of adventure and peril and, bigness.
Captain Quark?
The Solar Galaxy is our home, and as many of you know, it's in a state of crisis. So if you're a small-time nobody in search of adventure, come on down to the spaceport and see me, Captain Quark.
Ranger. This is huge. Galactic Ranger, grab some sky! Galactic Ranger, punk. Put him up. Oh dear. Ranger down!
Mission accomplished.
I'm here to pick up my ship! I'll be there in 1 minute! Give or take.